What a fun day to be trading DWAC. Let's go, guys. More fun puns. Looks like we're actually about to halt on fun right now. Miss V, let's say hi to our viewers and jump right into the market.
Good morning, guys. Thank you for joining us today. Happy Friday, everyone. Indeed, what a day. Please be active on the chat, share your trades, and indeed, let's jump into DWAC, Prad.
Let's do it. I'm super excited. Obviously, fun was just about to get halted, but the fake halt did play out. We've been noticing fake halts after the halts today. My mouth is still watering. That pumpkin was really good. I finished it, but my mouth is still watering just from the taste and the aromas in my mouth that's just pulling out. So let me just gulp that saliva real quick. All right, overall, man, today fun has been fun. DWAC has been fun. DWAC. Let me just cover what I did with the trade. I'm going to be honest, I came in thinking, I don't know if the stock is going to break 100, so I tried to short 100 and instantly got beat up on the stock. So when I saw that happen, I was just waiting for that first halt to show itself. And as soon as the first halt showed itself, I punched my size, just went long, and then after that it's just waiting to see where the stock opens, and I just threw out a market on open order to get out of it no matter where the stock opens. And to my luck, and I will say luck because obviously I did not have any of this planned. Only thing I had planned was to get long into the halt and to get out after the open. And here we go, man. Insane move today from the first halt, opened all the way up at 175, and then right after the halt opened, the stock just went straight downwards, never came back to that 175. I did want to go short, but I never got any shares filled. A couple of people I was on Twitter watching too, they were complaining about their shares not getting filled, but then watching Neil and Sean be able to capture that downside move was pretty good, but unlucky me. Overall, still a big day for me. My biggest Momo trade of the day in my 2 years of trading here experience. So very happy overall. Thank you for Sean for all the kind words, and Neil. Let's dive into another stock that's moving around, which is actually the warrants, DWACW on NASDAQ. This stock actually hasn't halted at all. So for those of you who are scared of the halts, who are afraid of unknown periods of time where the market is not or the stock is not moving, and you don't want to be trapped in such move, obviously you could not have predicted that the stock or this warrant is not going to halt, but it didn't halt yesterday on the irrational moves that WACW had. So we had an indication or kind of an idea that this wouldn't halt either. And to our luck, is this stock actually had free shorts on our platform, whereas DWAC actually I think was around 39 bucks for every 100 shares. So if you wanted to not pay shorts, if you're Arun, you could have just smacked DWACW on the move of DWAC. And especially when DWAC was halted, DWACW was still moving around, and it was kind of an indication as to what was going to happen with the halt price. Of course, we have our imbalance locator that keeps us up to date on it. But for those of you who don't have imbalance locators and other tools to help you, you could use DWACW when DWAC is halted to kind of get an understanding of what's going on.
What about FUN today?
FUN, yeah.
Another crazy stock, guys. Congratulations, everyone. What a day. What a day.
Prad, you got your home set up, Brad. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. FUN over here, yeah, crazy stock, Miss V, absolutely insane. This is actually a sympathy play for DWAC that has had partnerships with President Trump before and maybe even now. But overall, that sympathy play that happened with DWAC is causing it to just absolutely go to the moon over here to $24. I halted 1, 2, 3, 4 halts to the upside, but that down halt was the most drastic halt in my opinion. Like, it was painful to see that halt happen. On the way down, people just got trapped, and then the stock just didn't open in the normal bands or band times or whatever the technical term is, but the normal time that the stock should open after halting, we didn't see that happen today. So I'm very confused as to why that happened. Usually it's 5 to 10 minutes, but today we've seen 20-minute periods. I've never seen a stock not open after 20 minutes of halting unless it's like a news halt or something. So for a volatility halt to last about 20 minutes was really surprising to see. And for those of you guys who are witnessing these moves, this is what Sean and Neil were talking about yesterday. Even if you're not a day trader, even if you're not a day trader, even if you are just a swing trader or investment trader, you need to keep your eyes on these stocks. These stocks are moving. Fun is about to halt on the downside, and this is not going to be a fake halt because the size on the offers are stacking up. So since the size on the offers are stacking up, on 706 is the only number being printed, this is going to halt on the downside right now. There you go. Boom, halted. DWAC halted again. Okay, so that makes sense why Fun is following suit with it. DWAC did look like it halted on the downside at 9248. Multiple halts all over the place, guys. This is absolutely insane. Now, my thought process in my head is basically going, you know, we halted on the way up at 130, 190. We opened at 175 after that halt, after halting for about 20-ish minutes. Then we come down and halt on the way down multiple times. We break 100 at this point and halt on the bottom below 100. What are the chances of the stock to going into yesterday's volume vacuum areas, which is around 62 to 60, where the shorts are trapped, and other areas? Obviously, if you're a short who's trapped and you're still holding it from all this move, you're absolutely insane. I don't know how you can get margin called yet, yeah, it's absolutely insane if you're holding it. But for most part, the spike up we saw up here was probably margin calls happening and the shorts just getting destroyed from yesterday. But my question is, do we now go back to $50 and $20? And where does the buying come in? Does it come in at 60? Does it come in at 50? Or does it just stay straight up crater down to 20-ish or so? Let's quickly pull up the imbalance locator. Actually, it's on this screen, so let me transfer that over for us. DWAC imbalance locators right here. So it says it's going to open at 90 and we halted at 92.48. So that means a $2 move to the downside. Not as much as the move we saw off the up halt. But let me just add Fun for us also, fun.nq. And we should see Fun here. Fun says it's going to open around $6.50 and it halted around $7.06. So both of these looking like more downside coming in right now. So be ready for those of you who are long and are bag holding this down move, especially in this halt. You know, overall, I'm kind of hands off. I've already hit my limit for the day. I'll actually hit my limit for my month if you think about it. But overall, I'm just trying to book my profits. I've said this multiple times. You know, this game is not about just bagging home runs after home runs. It's about, well, you know, making money slowly. And let's say you have that one big home run, then it's about protecting that home run and not just swinging it, going balls to walls, as the gamers call it, and just swinging it. Is your show for gamblers? No, it's not for gamblers at all. But if you are a gambler, hopefully we can change that degenerate gambler within you to a more educated risk taker. DWAC buy at 69.69. I like it. Miss V, do you have any trades today?
Well, Prad, thanks for asking real quick, because indeed Fun and DWAC are on fire, and that's what we want to talk about today. But yes, Tesla also broke all-time high today. Tesla was nearing that $910. I have a few long trades. I also been short, but then I just bought back my shorts and went again long because trend is a friend. So guys, I'm still sitting on a Tesla looking for more opportunities. And yes, good day for Tesla also, Brad.
Yeah, good stuff for Tesla, breaking all-time highs. Actually, I didn't know about it until Miss V brought it up. Miss V goes, Brad, you know Tesla's breaking all-time high? And she was like all happy. I'm like, Miss V, really? Let's go. That's what we're talking about.
Let's go.
Let's go, Tesla. Her favorite company breaking all-time highs. This is what. Okay, to the moon. I thought you were gonna hit the car or one again.
Already did.
Oh, you did? I didn't see it. I didn't see it. But Miss V, look at what stock is mooning right now. Reaping.
Affirm.
Exactly, and I didn't trade it at all today. Are you proud of me?
Well, I am proud of you. But basically, yeah, I'm super happy for your trade, for you. And how do you feel emotionally? Because I've been next to you.
I was obviously ecstatic and happy about having this big of a day for myself. But as soon as that day's over, now I'm looking for another trade, which is just a firm short. You know, a firm is now. Yeah, still calm. I mean, I'm a little happy. My smile is still showing on my face and whatnot. But no, Affirm here. Thank you, Jude Fernando, or sorry, trader formerly known as Jude Fernando. Thank you for calling out Affirm. I won't miss it. You know, obviously, anyone calling out Affirm at any time, my eyes are instantly gonna go from it. I'm not from Mexico. Is that what you're laughing at?
No,
Okay.
about a firm.
About a firm, right? Yeah. So we're heading now towards that 158, 160 price. I am seeing the resistance number 2 being at 157.68. Obviously, we're up higher than that. I am looking for that 160 test. If 160 doesn't get tested, there might be a short opportunity right here because 158 looks like a weak break. So let's see if we can go test 158 again right now. Obviously, as you can see, the stock is really trying its best to break out. There we go. It's not a weak break. We're about 158. I'm going to short the stock at 160, so get ready for it. I'm just going to throw some stink bids right now. So I just threw out some stink bids all the way up. Sorry, stink offers, not bids, because these are short offers all the way from 159.50 towards 160. Hopefully, I get my my shares all up there. And I'm just gonna quickly pull up my trading view to this monitor. Come on, man. To this monitor so I can show you my resistances and supports that I'm using off of pivot points Fibonacci. Let me just turn
PHUN
off.
is also open, Prad.
Sorry?
PHUN is
PHUN?
open and DWAC is open.
Thank you. DWAC. DWAC did open. It did go down, but now we're trending back towards the $100 price. So let's see if we can actually go back above 100. I am now scaling into my Affirm position. I got 2 entries on that short. Affirm, let's see if I can get more of my shares. I have one more order to be sitting at 159.90 right now. I'm already in the money, looks like 20 cents. So Affirm might just start crashing from here. You said PHUN also open, so let's check up PHUN. PHUN, what did it do? It did, yeah, obviously you can expect PHUN to kind of do what DWAC's doing and vice versa, right? So if PHUN is halting down, it's probably because DWAC's halting down. As DWAC's going up, it's probably because PHUN is going up. So overall, sympathy plays over here. Let me just filter this one share or prints over here. You know, I don't think they're relevant at all for our sake. PHUN turned at my in price. Oh man, yeah. So we are now actually, thinking about it. We're back at the day's bottom before the whole craziness started. So maybe people would think about this as an opportunity to start buying the dip for the day, for the intraday side at least. You know, I don't know. I can't see people holding this into the weekend, especially because of the crazy moves we've been watching. You know, DWAC went 500% in 2 days. So will DWAC come back to all-time high? I can't answer that question. I'm sorry, but we can find the levels that it's been trading at and see how it goes from there on. But overall, man, with the crazy moves going on, I can't expect people to hold the stock for over the weekend, right? And I'm not irrational thinking that way. Probably this stock is up 1,000% not too long ago, and now it's only up 300%, like 1,900% in a week, right? So for the people that the stock did go all the way up to $20 and $23, they're profit booking over here, so that's gonna bring the stock down a bit. The people are gonna look for short. The short sellers are gonna look for an opportunity to short it. So maybe 23, 21, they just piled in short. So all these mindsets over here are gonna stop me from obviously buying the dip opportunity for the swing trade. But for the intraday, it could easily have another leg up above VWAP if buyers show their hand over here. Went 1,200% over 2 days. Oh wow, okay, yeah. I just saw 300% yesterday and then 200% today, so I just went 500%. But yeah, that's crazy. Overall, both of these stocks up almost 1,000% in 1 week or in 2 days. Is insane. That's absolute irrational moves in one way or the other. But I guess Papa Trump has that kind of effect, right? Affirm still struggling around 160-ish. As you guys can see, we hit a high of 159.82. So not at the 159.90 that I'm still looking to get some more size. I'm actually gonna throw one more order at 159.90, and that way I have more size once the stock goes there. And it looks like it doesn't want to go there. That's sad because I wanted more size, and this is what I get for being passive. Obviously, if I wasn't on the show, I would just take take the liquidity out off of bids and then just smash it. But overall, like I said, I'm on my limit for today. I don't need to do anything more, and I'm still up $1 on a firm short. So thank you, Jude Fernando, and good luck to anyone and everyone who is in this trade with us. Trump is paying the Chinese loan. Prad, why is DWACW running the weakest? Well, that is the warrants, I believe. So that's basically moving off of DWAC move. It's not moving the weakest or anything, but the move is pretty much in tandem with the other stock. Have also been an mRNA short from 335. It was downgraded by Duchess to 250. Ooh, let's go. mRNA being downgraded. That's good news. Good news for overall for my mindset, at least, because I've been bearish on this stock for so long. Now seeing a 5% down move overall. The stock is under 340s, which is also good. I was looking for that 340 short not too long ago, so that's also a good indication. We're now bouncing off of 320. We've seen this 320 act as support for a long time, so that's going to be an issue a little bit. Let's see that 320 bacon go under 330, go under 300, and then eventually to 250.
Let's go. Oh, wow. Hi, Prad. Can we take a look at HX on NASDAQ? It's also halted to the downside. What a day. National hold days today.
Did I just cover
HX?
2 orders by mistake? Oh, my goodness.
Oh.
HX?
Yeah.
Yeah, sorry, Valeriia. I was throwing out an order on a firm, and I covered 2 orders instead of 1 order by mistake, and obviously, idiot Prad. HX on NASDAQ. I believe this was the Chinese stock, right?
Correct.
And 32% down today. Insane, drastic down move, especially yesterday after seeing the stock have the move to the top side and now complete opposite direction. FUN halted again, apparently. HX is halt. That means maybe we can expect DWAC to halt very soon. Let's quickly see FUN here. FUN halting at $5. Wow. This is well, how does Sean say it? Kathy woodshedded, like taking it back to the barn and just. That's pretty much what's happening over here to the overall the crazy stocks. DWAC halting again to the downside and indicating to, let's see what it's indicating. This looked like $50, no, $80. So it looks like it wants to open $4 below from where we are. My buddy Eric might just be able to make that number that we want him to make. So Eric is killing it too. I like it. I know he's a big halt trader. He like just smashes every single halt level. He just loves. That's his setup, and that's the setup that I took off of him today. So thank you, Eric, for making this money for me.
And another friend, Neil.
I just want. Someone asked like, "Oh, did Neil just short FUN?" Embarrassingly so, I will say I did have a short in FUN at about like 840 here. And again, I ended up scalping it. I realized, like, I looked at it the second I got it. Momentum-wise, it looked pretty fantastic. But then it went right into that. I looked at where the halt band was at 766 and said, I should just cover this because it might actually bounce off that. Now it's actually, it just chewed right through it. So that ended up being wrong on my part. I could have had this one from maybe 840 down to $5 if I didn't get out of it right away. It is a tricky trade. Like, a lot of the best action happened in the morning. And like thankfully I was able to get DWAC. Otherwise, I'd just be staring at FUN and be kind of mad that I took it all out early. I still feel what I feel about everything I said about the way the halt happened. I'm not going to repeat it. During lunchtime, these can get really whippy, and you can just start throwing away the money that you've made over trading them. So wait for the actual moves. Listen to Prad. He's going to be a good source for you. He'll talk about the levels and give you a better idea when there'll be actionable times to trade it, right? And I am kind of curious because there was so much happening today. Miss V, tell me somebody traded the 900 break on Tesla, because obviously we didn't look at it today. Did you have it at least?
Neil, thanks for asking. Absolutely. As I was saying, Tesla broke all-time high. How could I miss that? And guys, as I was telling to you, I went long at first. It was a nice trade for me. Then I decided to go short. Stock went against me. And as I said, I decided to follow the trade. I wanted to another long trade, which also was profitable for me. Now, actually, I had a few not really successful short trades on Tesla, even though now I'm again in short because I was looking for this level around 904. Tesla was trying to break it for the like the other hour, couldn't do this. Finally done and right on the VWAP. So let's see where it goes. And I'm short for now.
Yeah, absolutely crazy, Miss V. We were talking about, well, yesterday, I believe, into the closing trades or closing hour, sorry, about Tesla's all-time high, and she was asking me, what is Tesla's all-time high? And I guess she was setting up for this trade right here. So good job, Miss V.
Thank you, Prad.
On taking that. Obviously, I missed it. Neil missed it. We were all too busy with the DWAC. But the Tesla expert has to have had it, and she does. So we're all happy to see that. Let's see her driving in her beautiful Tesla now. Let's go. The black triangle, what is it? On my charts? On my charts, this dark purple triangle, is it black? I guess. I mean, I'm colorblind when it comes to blue and purple, but I'm pretty sure that's purple or dark blue. Either way, that's a short, and this is my short covers, but my longs also show up as green, but my long covers show up as red. It's Friday, pump and dump. I mean, every day is a pump and dump in this market, isn't it? 320 gives on mRNA. I typed MRAN. mRNA 320 did give. Let's go, Jude Fernando. This is what we're talking about. Finally, 320 breaking again for the second time today. After we did go as low as about 317 and then made the run back towards VWAP. So let's go under 320, turn 320 into resistance. Let's make Jude Fernando that big money and ride this rocket all the way. Not rocket, but ride this. What comes down? Ride this drop tower, if you guys are Canadian, ride this drop tower all the way down to the ground, maybe $250 or so. Good luck on a firm, Prad. Thank you. Yeah, good luck to Jude Fernando for calling it out. If she wouldn't have called it out, I would have not known that the Affirm is at 160. I saw Affirm off the open. Obviously, I've been trading Affirm for multiple days now, right? So I saw Affirm trade up around 150 to 155. So I thought, yeah, it's gonna be giving me the same $5 ranges to trade in for multiple days that I've been smashing it in. So I didn't expect this move to 160 to happen. So obviously, I didn't bother to trade it today. But wow. If it's going to give me that opportunity at 160 to get short, obviously I'm going to smash it. And here we are. Rockets eventually come down unless they okay. I will affirm that DWAC going to 0. All right. NIO. Where am I typing NIO? Hello, where is my cursor? What? Why wasn't it typing there? This is fun. All right, anyways, this is working now. Come on, and now this chart's gonna crash. Anyways, NIO is down about 1.2, almost 2%, 1.8% at the moment. We did try to hold 40 off the open. Obviously, weak market today, Friday. Let's see if the European markets close red because the markets are now going down. Halt down again on DWAC? No way, man. It's like every 2 seconds we're just halting down on this. There we go. Now we're going straight back to 66. This is a 69 halt. We're going to 66, the next open indicating. And what did I say? The fact that the stock went all the way to 170 and failed to hold VWAP on the way down, halting on the way down again and again and again. Eric said he needed a $40 move to hit his target, or not his target, but for the target that we gave him. So Eric, there is your $40 move you wanted, my guy. That's the $40 move you needed, and you got it. You ask and you shall receive, said the universe. Beautiful, beautiful day for all of us over here at Day Trade the World. I hope you guys are having a fun time watching the pun over there, the pun on the fun on the pun. Anyways, overall, man, what a crazy day. I didn't expect these days to come back, especially with the momos kind of dying off. Let's be honest, volume's been kind of sleeper, dying off of in the market, so I didn't expect any of these to happen. But let's go, man. This is what we live for. This is what we're here to day trade every single day. All right. Can we look at Chipotle? Yeah, we can take a look at CMG. Where what is going on with my thing today? All right, CMG, let's go. 17 $1,700 or not that $1,700 stock over here with the no regards to they don't want any investors or any outside money, I guess, but whatever. CMG over here with almost 3% down today, going about to break that 1780 barrier to the downside. If that happens, we could see more downside on the stock. Of course, overall market is going lower, so that could bring anything down with it. Whoever's bashing DWAC up 900%, I mean, yeah, DWAC has just been going crazy. FUN to 300. Oof, I don't know about that. FUN is on the way down right now, my friend. $5.79 looks like. Has FUN opened yet? FUN.NQ. It did. Okay, so FUN open. It is now going back to the top over here. Looks like it halted and opened right where it halted. So that's weird to see. That might be a little indication that the stock wants to run back up to the top here, just maybe a slightly. And yeah, look at that. We're gonna halt on the top side, and this halt's not a fake halt. This is a real halt, and you can see that by the amount of size that's building up. This is absolutely insane. The stock is gonna be halted more than it trades. Welcome to markets. Welcome to capital markets. And yeah, I tweeted not too long ago that Trump got people to raid the Capitol Hill first, and now he's got people to raid the capital markets. So that's a joke that I stole off of Greg from yesterday. So it's crazy what's going on over here, man. Crazy. Check CYN. Let's go check CYN. 2 million shares traded for the day. Let me just hide this imbalance locator for us. 2 million shares traded for the day. Ooh, my firm is, I'm going to have to throw out another order real quick, and then I'll go back to CYN. There we go. Instantly filled, man. A firm. That's when you know you're on the right side of the trade, guys, when you just get instantly filled. Almost $2 in the money on a firm right now. Let's go. CYN, 2 million shares traded. My chart halted. My chart halted. Yeah, I guess you could say that. Let me just quickly reload my halted chart here. In the meantime, I'll use the 15-minute. Up about 16%. Sorry, up about 6% or 5% now. And I can't zoom in on my charts today either. Wow. Anyways, as you guys can see, we see some rejection taking place around yesterday's levels right here where the wicks are. So $8.02 where the yesterday's wick was. We're gonna have to try and break that barrier. So $8.20. If that breaks, we could go test around $8.70. But let me notice the volume right now with 2 million shares and with most of the world eyes on this stock right here. FUN and am I live? Yeah, I am live. So FUN and where's DWAC on DWAC? 64 million, 300 million, 100 million, 100 million. So most of the eyes on these stocks over here. You can expect maybe the other stocks to not have a momentum today, not have any type of volume or any type of significant volume that would allow it to break out. But most of the eyes are on Teslas today and the firms and the DWACs. FUN 50, maybe. Bitcoin dropping hard, Miss V, apparently. Did you check it?
Not yet.
BTC USD. Oh, yeah, Bitcoin is dropping, Miss V. It's going down to $60,000 right now. Looks like that's
right.
Yeah, it's not too far. So we did have an all-time high around 67, I think, 60.7K. But now we're down to 60K. Still in a good position, if you ask me. No problems here overall for Bitcoin. But as you guys do remember, a beautiful point that Miss V brought up not too long ago, that she notices tandem moves in Tesla and Bitcoin. Obviously, because Bitcoin owns about 1.5 billion of Bitcoin on their balance sheet. So you could expect investors and traders to start buying and selling the stock. Oops.
By the way, Prad, do you know what's also dropping? Snapchat. And it's down more than 24% after owner of the Snapchat app warned that changes to Apple Inc.'s data collection rules and globally supply chain issues are waiting on advertising spendings. You broke my present!
I broke the toy you gave me.
Go short on Prad.
I'm going to glue it back. Don't kill me.
All right, if we take a look at Snapchat, you'll find.
Let's do it. All right, fine. Anything for forgiveness, Miss V. Snapchat, man. Yesterday, someone actually messaged me on Instagram and they said, "Did you check Snapchat?" I was it was raining, so I was trying to reply to you, but somehow I clicked delete message or block. So I'm sorry if I blocked you or deleted the message. I didn't mean to. I was trying to reply to you. It was raining, and I just clicked on random things on the phone and it just deleted the message or blocked you. I don't know. I tried to find you. I just couldn't. Anyways, coming back to Snap here, that move off of the earnings report was insane, guys. 20% down move off of the earnings report. We were just going crazy. I think it was me, Sean, and Greg, and we were just screaming wow every 10 seconds. Every 10 seconds, someone just went wow, wow, wow. So insane move. This chart's not gonna work again, is it? So I'm just gonna crash it again and reopen it. But now the fact that, you know, I tweeted, I said, watch for Snapchat to reclaim $60 and actually hold $60 on that bid. If it doesn't, then it's going to have to start going lower and lower. Watch for Snapchat to then go up after 60 to 64. Obviously never happened today. And then if 60 doesn't hold, look for that 56 to hold because 56 has support. Actually, let me just try pulling up my Snapchat chart. I do have lines drawn from it because I did chart yesterday. For those of you who are making fun of me saying I don't chart, here's the proof. So here we go. So 60, we did break out above 60 slightly. Let's see how high was the break. About 77 cents break. Coming back in. Now we're trying to hold that 56 bottom. If that 56 bottom does not get hold, we're going to go to 52 and 48. And these levels are coming from basically, if you pull back to the chart on the dailies, you can notice where the most of the trades have taken place. Right now, obviously, the stock is trying to hold 56, but if 56 breaks, the next level I notice is 48 at the bottom. It could try to support 52.48, which was the after-hour low yesterday. So let me just show you the after-hour low real quick. Extended after-hour low was 52.48. There you go. So it could go test that 52.50 level, 52.48 for Snapchat if 56 breaks to the downside. But if 56 ends up holding, you can expect 60 to text maybe in the next week. But complete rejection. Expect complete rejection at 70. If the stock did not hold 70 on the earnings news, that's based on, let's say, 60 breaks and 64 breaks, and we're on the way to 70. Expect complete rejection at 70. That's my opinion, at least. So right now we're gonna go test that $56 price. Let's see if we can hold that on Snapchat. Obviously, I'm more of a day two kind of guy. So day one was yesterday/today, yesterday after earnings/today. So let's see what kind of levels the stock forms off of the catalyst, and then off of those levels, I'll be able to play a cleaner setup tomorrow and not have to worry about coming up with levels on the fly and so on.
Prad, can we take a look at that chat? That's on Nasdaq, up more than 16%, and I see that a lot of people talk about that today.
Yeah, DAT chat up about 16%. We actually got a halt on the way up over here on DAT, so another halter stock. Let's go. We love the halters today. Overall on DATs, looks like we after making that halt to the top side of near $13.50 or so, we did come back down, and failing to hold view up after those halts is the proof to or not proof, but is giving me an idea that the stock may not have any more oomph or any strength to go back to those prices today. Let's see how the stock behaves around $11 if it has the strength to go there. If volume picks back up, obviously we are going to go into lunchtime very soon in 30 minutes, which is going to bring lower volume periods. So not sure if this is going to help the stock go up or if it's going to bring it down, but it just means a lower volume period is going to take a little bit longer for stocks to do what they want to do. Affirm popping. Yeah, I'm actually watching my unrealized go down a little bit. So Affirm is popping. I still do have an order at 159.90. I can pull it up and see if maybe I need to move my orders down a little bit. Affirm is popping. Maybe it just bounces off of 159 here. We have noticed this trend on Affirm when it goes to that 160s. The next rebound, it usually rebounds off a dollar lower. So this could be an opportunity for you to load back up on the short. But I have an order at 159.90. I'm just gonna sit there and wait for it. I don't have to haggle my price too much. I'm still in the money, not too much to worry about. Trump and dump. Yeah, that's pretty much what's been going on. And there you go, Affirm giving you a nice 50-cent reject off of that 159 as I expected it to.
Prad, real quick update on my Tesla trade. I'm out of short trade, guys. Again, why I went short at 903 because I identified this 904 level as support for me. When Tesla broke it, it went all below the VWAP, and now I'm looking for 898 level for maybe some long opportunities. We'll see if it break it to the downside or we'll go back to the moon.
Thank you, Miss V. Man, DWAC is now back in the 80s. Wow, what is going on in this stock? Still crazies. You know, we just saw the halts happen around 60s or so, and now we're back in the 80s. It looks like it wants to find some sort of support in the pre-market trading ranges. Obviously, yesterday's range bottom, not range bottom, but yesterday's the high was around $50 or so. So if we do break this pre-market bottom, you could expect that move down to $50 or so. And if the stock does halt on the downside, maybe around 60, I will look for that opportunity to get short because I can see the move down to 50. But here we are, we're just rocking up to the top side, almost breaking 85. There was some on size on 85 that acted as a barrier. Let's see if it's gonna take out that 85 size next time. Right now, maybe size got tested again, but it's gonna get there. You go, 85 got taken, and instantly we're up $2, man. This stock is so crazy. Just taking even dollar breaks will be a decent setup on this, but man, now we're almost at 88 on this stock. Insane, and the spread is 50 cents. I mean, like it's you might just have to cross $1 on the breaks to get a fill, but this is absolutely insane. Let's go see what happens at 90 now. Is it going to be able to break 90 and go back to 100? This is absolutely insane. Oh my goodness, she's watching Tesla. She's so cute, so cute.
Well, thank you. Where's my Tesla? And let's go. Where's my dad? Are you in the back or in the front with me?
You're the
I'm a
front
driver?
row. I'm the
No,
oh.
in Tesla.
In Tesla. Well, oh, we just halted on DWAC. Sorry. So on Tesla, I will be the
Passenger?
driver. I'll be the driver.
Okay.
I'll be the driver. I'll drive you around like your chauffeur.
Let's do this. Yeah.
Howdy, Miss V. Privyet. Yeah, Privyet.
Привет.
Privyet. But no, we did halt over here at 90. Let's go see what the open indication is. So not too far, about 40 cents or 33 cents to be exact, higher from here. For the opening indication off of these halts. So the first halt, we saw the stock go up as high as, I don't know, $40 off that halt. But here we're seeing the stock only go up $1. That's telling you the momentum is dying off to the top side. It's telling you that most of the buying pressure is kind of dying off. Anything could happen on the stock, even though the buying pressure is dying off. So just be ready, man. The stock is absolutely insane still. Go short on open, Prad. You'll lose what? You lose all your earlier winnings. Yeah, no thanks. I'm trying to protect my money. Affirm. Let's celebrate again, amigo. Yeah, let's do it. Hey. AFRM. There we go, man. Now I'm $3 in the money. Let's take some more profits. Let's go. Jude Fernando with the call outs. Nasty. Yeah, and I hope you reloaded at that 159. Exactly how I thought would happen, that it would reject off that 159. Patterns. History repeat themselves. Bear Prad is in the building today, smashing these shorts. I'm just going to cross up and take that order out. Boom. So, yeah, exactly as I said, you know, I expected that 159 reject to happen because we've seen this pattern play out multiple times. Now I only have one little position left on a firm that I might want to hold all the way back to 155. And if we do go back to 159/160, Jude Fernando and Trader Prad are both going to load up. Okay, I'm reloaded. Miss V, if Prad was in the back with their Tesla, huh?
Like in the back seat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
With you, or without you? What's going on here? I'm so confused.
Yeah, just
my brain
let
just
it go.
farted. Let it
Let
go.
it go.
Yeah, that's the best way to go with life. If anything's confusing me, just ignorance. Let it go. I didn't reload. I was waiting for 159.50. Yeah, man. It's okay. We're still rolling in the money, though. That's what I'm talking about. $3 in the money. Let's go. Jude Fernando. PHUN 9. FUN is back to $9. Wow, man. Both of these stocks are saying, no, Prad, you're wrong today. We're not going back to our lows. We're going to show you where we deserve to be, and that is at all-time highs. So we're just rocking to the top side here. Prad just watched the road. Yeah. Speaking of all the yayas, yeah, somebody actually tweeted at me going, at the tippy top because of my DWAC exit today. So kind of felt like Dr. Disrespect at the tippity top of the mountain, but we're only halfway there, guys. The two-time, back-to-back, 5.8 vertical leap. Prad is on sugar high? I actually might be.
Shout out to Marisa. Oh my God, that was the best cheesecake I've ever tried. I'll message Marisa today. Wow.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to ask Marissa to make my birthday cakes from here on out.
Oh, let's see what she says.
She's gonna be like, yeah, right, Prad, get out of here.
all for you, everything.
Everything for me, right? That's why I go with my gut, not yours. I like it. Always gotta go with your gut, dude. Always gotta go with your gut. Too much new world. Need more romantic world on the road. No. Listen. The money I made today, I made it for myself, not to go spend it on dates, not to go spend it on other people. It's for me, myself, and I, and maybe my mama and my papa. That's it. Not even my brother. Maybe my dog, but not even my brother, all right? Not for no woman. It's for me first. Man, I want some. Oh, dude, you wish you tasted. What was that for? Did you just give a facial expression?
Yeah.
Yeah, you wish you had some, dude. It was real good. JMIA, let's go check it out. JMIA. With about 1 million shares traded on JMIA today, let's see where the stock is trading at $18.73 right now. It is going down about 7% down for the day. We're making a lower day. Volume candles have pretty much been to the downside, causing the stock to break levels lower and lower. So let's see where we go. Prad won't make it rain today. Make it rain? What does that mean?
No, I don't know.
Caught the funware on the dip. Yeah, FUN gave you a nice dip buy opportunity if you think about it. Over here, the halt, it just opened exactly where the stock halted. So that's usually a pretty good indication of the stock wanting to go higher, and that's what we noticed happen.
Do you know what Sean says?
What?
Don't forget AMC, the main memes stock. Let's take a look at AMC.
Yeah, I'm just going to have to throw this quick order here, 155.50, because a firm is just cratering to the downside here. We are at VWAP now, so maybe I just take the VWAP exit and call it a day on my trade. Let's see if I get it. I do get it. There you go. Done with the firm short, all the way back to VWAP. Jude Fernando and myself are absolutely smoking this short right here. Hopefully the rest of you are too. I absolutely love this cover by VWAP. I wanted that 155/155.50, but that's being greedy. That's being a pig, and you know what happens to pigs. Right now we're only a bear. We're not a pig, and we're gonna cash in that money. I hit it. Don't worry.
A pig?
No, the bear one. Oh yeah, the pig one. Yeah, I hit the pig one. I forgot we had the pig one. You know what happens to pigs? Is there a sound effect for it?
Yes.
Okay, there is a sound. Okay, good. I was trying to make a sound effect. Oh man, now don't tell me it's gonna go to my target. This is when I get upset. When the stocks go to my target and I try to convince myself I had a good out. But anyways, let's go to Palantir. Yeah, man, Palantir. I haven't talked about the stock in a couple days. AMC. You talked about AMC first, right?
First things first.
AMC down 7% today. No, and back under 40. That was actually something I wanted to talk about. I noticed AMC was closing under 40 yesterday. And how many times do I have to say we need AMC to be above 40? This should be off of above 40 no matter what. The fundamentals for the game on AMC are changing. AMC's Adam Aaron said not too long ago that they're going to do some crazy stuff. The crazy stuff has not been announced yet, but they said, let's go to Sean real quick and then we'll come back to me.
Yo, what's up? Yeah, I just wanted to, I want to make sure you guys are watching AMC because if you look here, we're right on the daily chart. We're at kind of like at a key level here on the daily chart of 35.50 or so. So if that can come through, I mean, it's been a sad couple of days for AMC, 45 down to 35. And so I just think that there could be some bounce. But the thing is, man, like today, let's just look. There's so many stocks that are getting sort of, I don't want to say woodshedded, but down 6% Facebook. Even the big and the baddest are down today. Google's down 3% today as well. That starts is continuing to do that. 3.5%. Wow. Pick some of this up, Prad, in your own account, please. Do that. Apple down to 148 again. Let's check out Softy. You're just seeing the NASDAQ give back. Yeah, well, Softy not really. But 3 AMD as well. So this is the thing. I tweeted this out yesterday, and we did talk about this. You know, heading into this tech earnings, which is going to be all next week, Facebook starts it off on Monday, I believe. There's another name there too. I'll find it. I'll get there for you at 3 o'clock. But, you know, big earnings coming, and it's just the one thing. A lot of these tech names are near or at all-time highs, so you are going to get a sell-off in the space, right? So just be very, very careful here. Trading in this afternoon, I think with Snapchat leading the way today, it's not a good one. Wish also down 10% today, and so a lot of the higher quality names, you know, like a Microsoft, like an Apple, in my opinion, like a Facebook, all to the downside today. Really, if you're going to hide, I guess you can hide out. Me and Neil were just talking about this, you know, in financials or something at 170. JP Morgan not really doing anything today, just flat on the day, which is fantastic news as everything's starting to make moves to the downside right now. So I hope everyone took some profits this morning on some of those high flyers. But for me right now, we are always going to be looking at DWAC, but I am looking to see. Look at these tests right here, man. We're coming back in. If we can pick up some AMC around this 36, I think that could be a good thing, especially if the market rebounds. So don't sleep on AMC right now.
Yeah, thank you for that. And I was trying to go around the same thesis, but what I wanted to say is the overall fundamental idea for AMC is going to change, I believe. And Adam Aron came out and said he has some ideas that AMC has never done before. So that's going to be hopefully a positive catalyst on the stock. Let's see how that behaves and if the market accepts it. We already saw some good news coming in about the whole crypto acceptance for AMC. So all of these coming in and all of the good news that Adam Aron is spreading and other YouTubers are spreading makes me think that AMC should have more upside, but we're not really seeing that. Right now, I could see this being a dip buy opportunity for the next time the stock goes above 40, because there is a trend where the stock manages to end up going above 40 eventually. But I'm still, you know, for a day trade, it's just going to be more excitement on DWAC. But over here, for a dip buy for intraday at least, I could see the buying opportunity and run it back to VWAP or so, giving you a nice risk to reward ratio going on right there on the bottoms. Snap, I think I saw. What was the stock I was talking about? Snap before AMC?
You were
Palantir.
Oh.
Palantir. There you go. Palantir back almost to $24. This is the one that, you know, we love trading when the stock goes to even dollar prices, especially 23. When the stock is at 23, we have had so many long trades. Let's see if our daily chart shows you the executions. It doesn't. Let's see if the 15-minute won't for sure. But anyways, we've had that when the stock went to 23, we went long multiple times off of there, and now 24 is acting the way 23 did. So Palantir, another good stock to go long off that 24 level, in my opinion. And someone said market's crashing. Yeah, market did sell off quite a bit today, almost down 0.5% on the SPYs, and the QQQ is down 1%. So overall, big down day for the markets. You know, as I call it, free fall Friday. My grammar is trash today. It's all right, but we're not in English class, right? No, hopefully no one's
Only
being
today, Tyron?
Sorry?
Only today,
Oh,
Tyron?
wow. You
I'm just kidding. Tyron knows.
Ooh, Miss V. Facebook, yeah, I can take a look at Facebook right now. We saw Facebook fall off of the Snapchat earning news kind of yesterday, and it just tanked, right? But my thought process on Facebook is I don't use Facebook, I'm not gonna invest in it, right? But a lot of people do use Facebook. Facebook has Instagram. Facebook has other revenues of sources of income. They had the Oculus, which is something I do want to buy. So noticing all these things on Facebook, it could be a good opportunity to buy the dip over here. But I'm still waiting to see what happens off of the catalyst that we saw yesterday. So day 2 play obviously is what I do. I'm a day 2 type of player. I wait to see what type of levels present themselves, and then I take that level. That's exactly how I play DWA DWAC today, a day 2 trade. Yesterday I didn't touch it at all, but I was watching it really close, and today it allowed me the opportunity to smash it. That's how I traded Affirm. That's how I trade most stocks. Invest, you are day trading. Yeah, we are day traders here. Any thoughts on SoFi? We can take a look at SoFi. Is it still above 20? It is. There you go. That's all that matters. As long as we're above 20 on this stock, it's been giving you the opportunities to get long in front of 20, and hopefully you get that move above 21 and 22 and so on the stock. We have seen support around this $20 multiple days in a row, especially since that news came out not too long ago, allowing the stock to go to the highs. So good overall support around here. Let's see that pattern continue to play out, and that would be good. But today, however, with about 10 million shares traded, almost down 3% on SoFi.
People talk about LMFA on Nasdaq. Stock is up more than 11% today. Let's take a look at LM fundings.
LMFAO.
LMFAA.
LMFAO. All right.
It's Friday.
LMFA, yeah, big. Ooh, is it that time?
I think it is.
Is that time of the day?
It's like o'clock. Well, that's a
She's
wonderful...
getting creative, guys.
I'm trying my best. And this is a great day. Look how many great opportunities on the market. Crazy things are happening that like not happening on a regular day. And guys are covering all of those trades for you. So you really deserve your like, guys. Please smash it now. Have a wonderful day, a wonderful weekend, and support the trading community that we are witnessing events such like that all together and supporting each other and making more money.
Yeah, Miss V, absolute crazy day, and good job on that like o'clock. I kind of forgot, and real good idea there. I love it. I love that little alarm time idea there. Beautiful. Miss V
We broke
stays.
420 likes. Woo-hoo.
Woo! We're about to roll one. 420. Smoke weed every day.
Da, 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 da.
We need a smoke weed every day one.
I know.
We need one. That would be cool. All right, Rob, chop. Affirm trying to find support at 155. Like, man, this is when I get really angry at myself, when I have a target and I kind of book my profits before that target, and I trying to convince myself that's the sound logical profit target. But whatever, it went to 155. It found support at 155. Expect the stock to probably go back to 157, 158 and reject. Maybe it even rejects off of VWAP, which is around 156 or 155.80ish or so. Let's see if it rejects off of that and just goes lower from here, giving me that opportunity to go long from 150 to 155 or short from 155 to 150. Overall, the story of Affirm is playing out how I wanted it to play out, which is test 160 multiple times, right? Let me just wait for the stock to load, or the chart to load up here. We tested 160 multiple times and we were failing that 160 break. And the all-time high before this 160 was around 149.50ish. So watching that breakout happen and then fail this higher breakout over here is indication that the stock is now maybe topping out and has no more room to the top side above 160 and belongs somewhere between 150 to 140. So let's see how the stock plays out between these ranges. I love you guys. Have a wonderful Friday. You have a wonderful Friday, Anwar. Thank you for always coming by and showing us some love and support. Do you guys have daily goals, percentages, or amount? I'll be honest, I don't have a daily goal in terms of percentage or amount, but the general rule of thumb is if you can make your shutdown, which is the amount of money you're allowed to lose on our platform, and that number changes based on your performance. If you can make your shutdown in a day, that's kind of a good spot to begin with. So that's the rule of thumb we go with. I've made exponential amounts of my shutdown today. So tomorrow my shutdown is going to be, well, not tomorrow, but Monday my shutdown is going to be bigger, and it's going to be harder for me to hit my shutdown limit, most likely.
Trading on the weekend,
trading
like
on
usual.
the weekend. I mean, I like it. That's nice. Trading on the weekend, like usual. Smashing all the cryptos like usual.
Okay, guys, please wait for our remix on Drake on iTunes. It will be available very, very soon, and on Spotify, of course.
I was hoping you said Spotify because that's what I use. I don't use Apple at all. But yeah, there we go. Affirm making that move above 156 exactly as I expected it to. I said, watch for that 155 buyers to come in. That was my original target. We're running back up here. What percentage is your shutdown? It just depends on what my monthly profits are and how much I've been making and so on. I don't even know my own formula, to be honest. The formula is somewhere around 14 best days or something like that. So I don't really know the formula. It's a computerized formula on the Day Trade the World platform. And I'm pretty sure that formula changes from floor to floor, maybe. I don't know. No, it doesn't? All right, it doesn't. Yeah, let's go to Neil.
Let me get my mic on. So, yeah, it's called like a monthly profit projection, and essentially what it does is it takes your last 14 trading days for anyone at Day Trade the World that's on that system. Excuse me. It kicks out your worst 2. So it's your top 12 trading days out of your last 14. It then takes that into an average, whatever that average is. It multiplies by 20 because it's about 20 trading days in a month. Monthly profit projection. And then that number goes on a scale. So it gives like actual chart, whatever that number is, you then get a fixed amount of risk. So what'll happen is you have a monster day, it's gonna kick out, like that last day in there, add that day to it, and then come up with the new calculation. So it's a bit of a rolling total that works in the trader's favor because it kicks out your worst too. So that's why like if you ever hit your shutdown, like making that much, it's always going to be to your benefit because like if you get stopped out, like you have 2 bad days in your 14 days, those are going to get kicked out. So traders that are profitable like 80-90% of the time, it really favors you if you have that level of discipline. If you're 50-50, then you're keeping more of your worst days in there in your profit projection. So it really rewards you for having consistency in your trading, and that's why you might hear us talk about sort of wanting to be green often, because it really does help you out.
Thank you, Neil, for that. So there you go. You guys have the formula handed out to you that our software uses over here. And if you are on your own and managing your own account and your own risk, I would highly suggest you follow that system. Do your own monthly profit projection and find out what your daily shutdown should be. If you are losing more than that daily shutdown based off of your monthly profit projection, maybe you need to start scaling down your trades and start lowering your shutdown. Figure out why you're not working, why your strategies are not working. Maybe it's a time of period where that strategy fizzles out. Strategies don't last forever. They maybe last for 6 months, maybe last for a year, maybe last for 1 day based on a volume spike that the stock had and then die off completely. So having multiple strategies in your arsenal, in your tool bag to pick from whenever you need it is helpful. And then figuring out why some strategies are not working and how to put that strategy on the burner and come back later to it. These are the type of things that will help you be profitable in the long run. And of course, never it's the risk management game is what you're playing. It's not about hitting home runs. It's about managing the risk. So without having like a system that stops you from taking more losses than you should on a day-to-day basis, you're just asking to just blow up accounts, right?
Prad, someone needs my help on the chat. How do you like this video? Well, Mr. Juarez, let me quickly show you how you like this video. Probably you're watching our video, right? And here you have a thumb up. So you should turn it to black. Ba-bam! And you liked. And for everyone who doesn't know how to do this, here's a little instruction. And if you watch us from your phone, just close the live chat, smash the like, and come back chatting with us. Back to you, Prad.
Yeah, DWAC apparently moving again. It is trying to go back to that 100. Let's see if we can do it. We tried once off of these halts over here around $60 or $69 or $70 or so. But the stock opened exactly where it halted, ran back to the top over here. Now we're trading around the $80 to $90. I thought it would go open above 100, but off this halt, it didn't open above 100. Actually, no, it said it would only open $3 off of that halt, so never mind. I corrected myself. I do remember seeing that, but now we're again trying to struggle between these ranges. I would like to see what happens if we do break out above 100 or view up and go higher. And if that happens, I am going to lose my mind. If this stock closes above 100 today, I am absolutely going to lose my mind. I don't know the market. If that happens, I don't understand the market. If that happens, it's just a complete. Like, my mind's just blown if that happens, if the stock closes above 100. I'm still surprised as to people buying the stock just off of the pure Trump news, or like, is this like a meme now as to what's going on, or do people really believe in the whole Trump media aspect or the truth media aspect of it? So I think we'll see what happens overall, right? Right now it's struggling to get above 100, but if it closes above 100, I'm going to lose my mind, like I said.
Prad, I have good news for us. We have a new member. Munib Siddiq joined our membership. Welcome, Munib, to the green side. We appreciate your support very, very much. And while we're on my screen, guys, I would love to update you on my Tesla trade. I went long at 8.99 as I was supposed to if it doesn't break 898 level, and here we go. I partially out of my long trade. Beautiful. My next out is supposed to be 902.90, and I'm gonna leave around 30% of my position in case if it breaks sweep up, so I can hold longer.
That's a beautiful long. I'm actually trying to pull up Tesla right now.
Thank you.
To notice what kind of where you went long exactly.
I went long at 899.30.
Why can't my Tesla
Come on, Tesla.
Why is this chart looks like it's dead over here for me? This is so weird.
I don't know.
Do you see what my chart looks like?
Yeah, I do.
That's so weird. Anyways.
Is it 1 minute chart?
Yeah.
That's super
It's a 1 minute chart and there's just like a dead period over here of no data. That's pretty weird. Anyways, you guys saw what happened on Tesla on Miss V's chart. So let's go, Miss V. Oh, there you go. It just loaded. So nice. You bought it around 898, 897.
Yeah.
Nice. Beautiful opportunity there. You know, going back above
899.
900 is beautiful, man. Tesla back above
Oh yeah,
900.
898, and then I bought more 899.
Nice.
Yeah.
Beautiful entries.
Thank you.
But I'm surprised that we're gonna close above 900 on Tesla. I'll be honest. So 1,000 coming very soon. Is Tesla gonna split again? Question mark. No idea. Sounds exactly like Jason Lee incident. Oh, you guys talking about something else? All right. Bot PHUN at 770. Let's go check out what PHUN is right now at, and it's at $8, trying to support this area. Something that DWAC is trying to do, trying to trade around VWAP, trying to be around this area, see if volume can come back in and pick it back up to the top side. But right now, obviously, after having this crazy momentum to the top side today, we are kind of dying off a little bit. So a little bit of momentum being sucked out of the market, a little bit of energy, volume being taken out. Of course, 12 o'clock has hit on the watch. So that means lunchtime. People are getting out of the chairs. They're going into their Nobus and their yakitori grill places and whatnot. So, you know, watch out for volume to die off a little bit and maybe pick back up around 1 o'clock. And obviously, at the fastest hour on YouTube at 3:00 p.m., watch volume pick back up along with Neil, Sean, and Brandon and Miss V.
Yes, sir. Prad, can we take a look at BlackBerry? BB,
Ooh,
it's down.
research in motion.
Research in motion?
Yeah, so BlackBerry used to be called Research in Motion, and their ticker used to be RIM.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Thank you for...
Not a lot of people know that. So if anytime
Only
someone...
Arun and you and Neil.
Yeah, if someone anytime talks to you about BlackBerry and you say research in motion, they're gonna
Research
and
in
if they really know BlackBerry, you're gonna blow their mind.
Wow, thank you.
you're
Let's
gonna blow
share
their
this
mind.
knowledge, spread the world.
Yeah, good old Ontario company from Waterloo, Ontario. Let's go. I actually visited their offices once, and it was pretty
That's
beautiful.
cool.
And it makes me sad watching research in motion die completely in terms of what status they had in life. But now, you know, they're still good. Apparently, BB will start having, you know, they might have their software in EV cars. That's a possibility if BB ends up doing that, right? So that's something that I'm keeping my eye on. BlackBerry software inside inside EV cars in certain terms of their security, because you know there's ironclad defense on BlackBerry, guys. There's a reason why BlackBerry phones were used in businesses more than any other phone, because they were practically unhackable, right? So we could maybe see a partnership with the BlackBerry security going into the electrical vehicle cars and so on, which will be beautiful to see for my Canadian company that I actually still adore so much, but it's not gonna help me buy their phones. All right, let's see. The Truth Network will be all right. Not gonna read that word, but all right, yeah, FBI will be watching for sure. I mean, what does FBI not watch, right? PHUN going to the moon. Oh, PHUN is moving again. Yeah, a little bit. You know, not much. Oh, I smell food for the first time.
Smells like potatoes.
Sorry.
Smells like potatoes.
Potatoes?
No?
I'm gonna go get
Are you
spicy
hating on
chicken.
potatoes?
I've had potato
You're gonna
yesterday.
get spicy chicken to celebrate your win?
Yes.
Great.
I'm
You
gonna
need
get
to spoil
spicy chicken.
yourself a little
Oh,
bit.
super chicken. Sorry.
Oh, super.
You want some?
No, I'm fine. Have you tried it though
Yeah.
yet? Did
pretty
you like
good.
it?
It's pretty
Yes?
good.
Cool. It just opened.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Cool.
It's we have a fried chicken place. I think it's Japanese or Chinese or Korean. I don't know, but it looks really Asian looking theme style in there, and the menu is in Asian too. So obviously one of the Asian countries. But the spicy chicken sandwich is pretty good. It's called Super Chicken in Toronto. If anyone's interested. FUN is making a move back to the VWAP over here. Let's see if we can break the VWAP, break the $9 area, probably Korean. Okay, let's see if we can go back to the top side over here on overall DWAC and PHUN. DWAC now breaking 90 and almost at $93, still under 100 / VWAP. So let's see if that ends up doing what it wants to. Can you check PBTS? I will check PBTS, but remember what I said? It's may you check PBTS, guys. Come on, we're in English class here. Tyrone, your grammar needs to be better, and it's guys, it's may you check, and I reply with yes, I will.
Yes, Tyrone. Please.
Where in Toronto do you live? I don't live in Toronto, but it is right across from our workplace. If you just type in Super Chicken, you'll find it. PBTS. 22% up for the day with about 100 million shares traded. Not on our watch list, but we had other fun tickers on our watch list. So Miss V, if you can help the viewers out with the watch list, that'll be very great, and we all thank you for all the help you do here. PBTS today, 150 right now, about 150, finding support at $1 or so. Let's see if that's in pre-market or that's off the open. Yeah, that's in pre-market. So off the open, let's see what the bottom is. Off the open, the bottom is around $1.30, trying to find support there. We did get rejected off near the $2 area, $1.90 to be exact, and turning the VWAP into a resistance point. But overall, we're up about 20-21% on the stock and trying to test the levels that previously were resistance. Let's see what the stock behaves around those levels, which is also $2. Maybe you can expect that to be tested the next week or so. If the stock has the energy / momentum to do that, the $2 break will happen, obviously. But if it doesn't, we're going straight back to the $1.15 or so, which will then have to be tested as a support. Tilray should be $11. I mean, people would say Tilray should be $300 if you guys know what I'm talking about. But yeah. Prad, earlier today you said I've already been English that we're not English class. I know, that was what I was joking. That was the joke. That was the joke. I said we're not in English class, and then instantly you go to the point that we're in the English class.
Yes, please. Especially me. Can I not be in the English class? I'll
You're good at
fail in the
English.
first second.
You're good at English.
Thank you.
We're like the same.
Oh, of course.
You taking Valeriia out with my profits today? I if she wants to.
Prad just said that you can share some super chicken with me, and I said like I'm fine because guys, actually I'm on a diet, and a cheesecake from Marisa.
Oh yeah, that was pretty filling. That was pretty filling.
Yeah, it was filling, and yeah, after the cheesecake, probably I should.
She's not
But
even gonna
thank
eat
you.
lunch now. Okay,
Thank
we
you.
don't talk about her weight. I remember Marlon and other guys were like, don't talk
Yeah.
about weight to women.
Yeah.
So I'm just gonna shut up.
It's tricky.
Yeah, it's you don't talk about that stuff with women. That's true. Prad can't catch a bid with Valeriia. I know, right? Bro, where my buyers at, man? I can't catch a bid. It's just offers on offers on offers. Valeriia is just shorting Prad to the ground here, bro.
Well, you grew up today in
I'm
my
gonna get
eyes.
delisted. I'm gonna get delisted
No,
very soon.
today you grew up in my eyes. I'm starting like to look at you at the other angle. I'm just kidding.
Ooh.
It doesn't matter. Like you're a great person. And so,
Thank you, Miss V.
but by the way, we also have two super chats at once.
Ooh.
Edward, our good friend Edward says, smash the like button for memes and movers. Happy Friday. Edward, happy Friday to you. I wish you a wonderful weekend. Please enjoy, rest well, so you can come back on Monday and start a new productive week with new profits. And of course, Dominic Famulara.
Wow.
DWAC. What's up?
I heard Neil say wow, and then I was like, let's see if this wow regards to, I don't know, DWAC by any chance. But
It was a good. My mic's on. It was a good 100 break, but I just missed it, so I'm kind of eating my salad at the same time. That's not a good excuse, but it's what happened.
Yeah, so I just wanted to see if that wow was related to DWAC by any chance, and of course it had to be. We just got the 100 break. We're up $7 from that 100 break. We're about to go see if we can continue breaking higher on the stock. Absolutely monstrous, Matt. This stock can't stop having fun today. You guys get that little pun over there. Fun wants $10. Fun is also moving. Yeah, man. I mean, if DWAC is moving, Fun is moving. And let's go quickly check out what DWACW is doing at the same time. Hopefully, it is also moving to the top side. I think Grom was another ticker. I don't know if Grom is a sympathy play along with these guys or not. Let me quickly check it out. But Grom was another halter today. Not really a true sympathy play, but it is kind of trying to follow suit with these other stocks overall. But DWAC is the most talked about, obviously, and then Fun being the next one right after that. Yes, we got the Fun. Good one.
Damn, Tesla. My iPhone.
No.
Go short on Apple. Guys, here's the situation. I'm out of most of my position on this long, and I still have around 30% of it, and Tesla just broke VWAP and now it goes back to the downside. Anyways, I keep holding. I'll wait until 901 area if it gets there, and we'll see what we're gonna do, but hopefully it will go back to the upside. I might wait for 903 level to sell the rest of my shares, even though I wish to hold it until the end of the day because I think it might have more nice moves. My iPhone.
Yeah, is your phone okay?
No.
It's already been cracked.
Yeah,
So
that's
it's
true, though.
it's already been cracked.
Who cares?
I was actually looking at Google Pixel 6 videos yesterday, and I might just buy it now that I have some money to do
Cool.
so.
That's cool.
Sean, are you gonna buy that phone? All right, so let's go to Sean.
Yeah, I'm buying the Google Pixel 6 ASAP. The wife is grabbing the iPhone 13 Pro, so I think she's more on Valeria's tip. But I'm an Android guy. I had the first ever Pixel, and I also had the One Plus One. So have Yes. Yeah, that was the first one I had. Good one there, Prad. That's great. Yeah, so I did have that blast from the past, and then I had the Pixel, and now I have the Pixel 3, which has been fantastic. And so I'm going to upgrade to the Pixel 6 now. And I did actually have the very first iPhone as well, but my very first phone was a Motorola Flip, so that was pretty gangster. But I wish I still had that.
Moto Razr, baby! I still have my Moto Razr back home in India. Come on, we know those ones. I may be a kid, but I'm still oldie over here. You know, back home in India, technology was still pretty outdated. Like I said, my first game ever was on a floppy disk, and I still own it. I don't own it. My brother owns it, probably somewhere hidden and safe. But yeah, I know those days, the Moto Razr days, the flip phone days. Heck yeah, dude. Even the BlackBerry Pearl. My mom wanted that BlackBerry Pearl so bad because my dad had the BlackBerry and not the flip one or whatever. But the Pearl. But okay, apparently Arun has a BlackBerry Pearl or Moto Razr maybe. Anyways, DWAC coming back under 100 over here, so looking like we're trying to fail 100 a little bit. How old am I? I am about 27, 28, almost 20. I'll be 28 next year. I turned 27 about 3 months ago. Everyone's so giddy today. I mean, yeah, dude, when days are like this and you're just having fun, you just gotta be giddy. You can't help it. It's impossible to bring any sort of anger or any other emotion out of me today, unless you I don't know, slap me across my face. I'll still be smiling. I don't know.
I don't even know what giddy means.
Didi?
Giddy.
Giddy. Oh, giddy is like really happy, smiling, and happy, joyful.
I just know the song Giddy Up.
Giddy up? Yeah, it's like a giddy up cowboy. Yeehaw.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah, kind of. What's your birthday? Yeah, I'll tell you my birthday, my social insurance, my mom's middle name, and everything for you. Just message me on Instagram, and I'll give you all that information. Stat. I'm stopped keeping a track after 25 years old. Yeah, I stopped keeping track after 25. So I actually had to Google today how old I was and put in my birthday because Sean asked me how old I was. And I was like, I don't know, maybe 27. And I Googled it. So yeah, there you go. Thanks for the info. No problem, dude. back above 100. Now we were just below 100 for a second. Now we're back above 100 again. This is crazy. Not sure what the stock wants to do still, but you know what? If the stock goes back to the first halt price, I might want to start taking more trades because not much real trading happened above this 130 to the top side. All of the trading that happened above 130 was to the downside. So if the stock takes you back there, where I think the first halt was 130. 131.90 or 131.90, either or. Let me just hover over here and check. Prad, come on. So yeah, it's 131.90, and if it goes back there and if it trades anywhere above there to the top side and is showing me momentum, volume, velocity, speed, violence, is showing me all of these to the top side above that first halt price, I'm gonna smash those levels because, like I said, not actual trading happened of buying that above those levels.
Prad, real quick, we have a super nice super chat from Triple Playtime. Shout out to Sean's wife, Marisa, for securing the gold. That's indeed true. A big shout out, and we're sending love to Marisa. First of all, for bringing that super tasty cheesecake. It was the best cheesecake that I've ever tried, though. It's even better than in restaurant. And yes, thank you very much, Marisa. You are great.
Real quick, just want to say, Super Ninja, congratulations, man. Wish you a very healthy baby coming very soon in February, apparently. So yeah, prayers to you, your family, your wife, and hopefully you get a very healthy baby coming out. Congratulations again to Super Ninja. Could I please check AMC levels? Good vibes for sure, my friend. Good vibes all day. So AMC still around that 36 price that it was not too long ago. Obviously, this is an area where I think this could be a buying opportunity for Champions Club. Yeah, exactly. You know, AMC, this is a chance where you could start looking for an opportunity to buy and expect the stock to go back above 40, maybe end of month or maybe next month or so on. I just looked at the lights and now I'm completely blind. The amount of lights here are so insane that if you look right at them, it's like you're staring at the sun. But anyways, yeah, this could be an opportunity where buyers are piling in and they hope that the stock goes back above 40, and that's my idea too. If the stock goes back above 40, which we have seen happen multiple times in our life over here, and that's the idea that we're gonna play off of. Apple getting into drones. Really?
Quack, 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 quack.
Let's go see what Apple's doing. Apple failing off of 150 still, but being back at 150 after especially the down move it had yesterday, and even overall we saw some move on to the downside to around like 130ish or 140s lows maybe on Apple. So good to see Apple making that comeback over here. Nice little dip by opportunity for swing trades for those who had that. So let's go overall on the tech market, which is the AMDs and the Apple's calls that we had. Both of them ended up working out.
Prad, Sean just said to watch out for crypto because they are going to the downside. And actually, I'm still holding around 30% of my long trade on Tesla. It's got above Viva, but really doesn't want to go really much higher in case if crypto dipping, I might sell it in this area. It's still going to be good trade. Let's take a look at BTC.
Yeah, indeed. I did have BTC open right here, and yeah, BTC did dip under what's it called, $60,000, but we now instantly went back above 60. We touched as low as $59,953 per coin, but now instantly back above 60. Let's see if we can form support at 60 based on this down move. Hopefully that was a fake break and allows buyers to come in back at 60, and we run back to those we run to those $100,000 points on Snapchat, which would be absolutely amazing to witness. You know, people are saying, as people like Fidelity, I think, said end of year 100,000. We're not too far from the end of year, but you know, it's a possibility if we continue to have buyers come in all the way up to the top side. Quick shout out to Saint Lion. Saint Lion tweeted not too long ago saying, I'm looking for my next big call out to make the year end on a banger. His best call out apparently was AMC, from going from what, $7 to $70 or so. And here you go, man. Here's your next big call out that ended up working. DWAC and PHUN, boom, all the way to almost $200. So congratulations to Saint Lion on that call out, and thank you for having me join you on that train to the top side.
I'm out of my Tesla,
Let's
and
go.
I'm happy that I didn't have to exit spontaneously. All of those were my orders I put, which I can say I'm proud of myself. It was like a plan, and super happy. Such a nice trade for me, a long one. And Prad, Brandon is asking, what's your target for Tesla? By target, what do you guys mean? My goal?
Yeah.
All right, so
your
I
profit
believe.
target.
So I believe my target would, in general, how much I'm going to earn.
No, so you have your entry at the bottom, which is what, 887.
889.
Yeah, so he's asking you where would you take profits. So I guess your answer would be where you took profits right now at the top.
Yeah, 900,
Yeah.
901, 902, and 903.
Yeah, so he's basically asking if you have a target,
My
maybe
outs.
910, you're out.
Okay.
Yes, that's what he's asking.
Let's go.
Profit target equals the moon, says K-Town. So yeah, next time someone asks you that question, you just say the moon.
Okay, but
The
actually,
moon.
look at Tesla. Oh my God,
Is it ripping?
it broke $906 to the upside.
Nice. Oh, wow. Tesla's actually reaping right here. Let's go. Volume coming in on Tesla. My chart's obviously not looking good because I can't see data before 11 o'clock for some reason. And this is only happening on Tesla. Not sure what the reason is. But maybe Miss V can pull hers up real quick and I'll talk through hers. And can you pull it back a bit?
Who?
The chart.
Closer?
Yeah, to the left side. Actually, can I just come there for a second?
Absolutely.
Because my chart's not working. All right, just real quick, guys, on Tesla over here, as you guys can notice, we did go up as high as $910 today. This is the pre-market ranges, around 900 or so, and below 900. So watching that breakout happening above 900 and then the reclaim off 900 after testing 898, which was pre-market high area, is a good indication for overall on Tesla. Would like to see the Tesla close above 900, maybe test 910 by power hour time. Obviously, with the overall market move, which was red side, downside, I don't expect the 910 breakout to happen, but keep an eye out for the coming days. 910 to be tested. If 910 breaks out, we could have that move to 1,000 coming in, maybe end of year on Tesla. And if that happens, I know a lot of people retiring. Where's the camera? There it is. Okay, back to my chair. All right, little awkward thing there. Not sure why my Tesla doesn't want to load its chart,
I
but
wonder if people thought we were sitting in different rooms.
yeah, no, we're sitting right next to each other over here, guys. All right, let's go to Snapchat. I wanted to talk about Snapchat not too long ago, and I did say, guys, look for that buying to come in around 56, and I'm only saying that based off of yesterday's move, right? Yesterday after hour, when, oh, this is BTC USD, Snapchat. Yesterday after hour, after the earnings report came out, we dipped as low as 52.48, but notice this purple line that I have drawn all the way across the chart. That line showed me 56 was a support in previous times too, which is a reason why the stock bounced off of 56 once it bounced off of 52.48. So just following the patterns, following the trends, following history, and seeing if history is going to repeat itself, seeing if the pattern is going to repeat itself. And that's the basic idea that I go in the market. Look for the bottoms where the stock has tested before and see if it tests again and bounces off of it. 56 right now, all you had to do was have some stink beads sitting here to get long, and you're almost up 50 cents in the money, but of course it's curling back down now to maybe test 56, and maybe 56 will break the downside this time. Hispanic church, Prad, a bit heavy for me. What? I don't
Someone
have...
said that you were supposed just to sit on my lap.
Oh, yeah,
I'm
no, it's not happening. I'll crush her.
Yeah, a little bit.
I'll crush her. She's a tiny one. I'll crush her. I love when stocks Coil, FUN, and DWAC are looking for another good pop. Indeed. Let's go to FUN real quick because we have been talking about DWAC. FUN just going sideways around VWAP right now. Kind of resident sleeper compared to DWAC movement. So let's go to DWAC. We are still struggling around that $100 price. Let's see. Obviously, I said if the stock closes above 100, I'm going to lose my mind because it doesn't make sense to me. But we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens overall on the market. We have about 40-ish minutes left still on the lunchtime period to take place. So volume's still gonna maybe be lower a little bit and pick up later? Question mark. CEI is testing. I'm gonna need some water real quick. All right. CEI is apparently testing, and it is testing the highs. This is a short for me, in my opinion. We went as high as $1.80, rejected multiple times. We went as high as $1.90, rejected multiple times. Now we're under $1.60, which was a key point. Now we're testing $1.55, which got rejected off the open already once. So another rejection possible incoming off of the same level. Keep your eyes peeled for that CEI down move. But $1.40 is apparently holding up significantly enough, so maybe the $1.55 will break and then get rejected by $1.60.
Brad, I wanted to share with you people's art on Twitter. So Sean, the people's trader. That's nice.
Sean's looking like a Chad, bro. Sean,
Well,
you seeing this?
He's
Oh,
not in here. But anyways, guys, subscribe. Follow us on Twitter. We broke 20,000 followers, and as you can see, we have a lot of fun here. Like Sean, full marriage. For those who were asking where we're located in Toronto. Here's like entrance to our office, sticky notes, all the videos we post, polls. So please, if you have any new updates, you're gonna find them here. And of course, go to 5 people who we are following, and you can find Trader Prad in here. Prad deserves a follow also. He shares fun memes, interesting like analysis, right? You share your trades. So guys, Twitter is the best for traders, I believe.
Yeah, for sure. Thank you, Miss V, for putting my account up there, and along with the others, guys, go hit us all up with the follow. We highly appreciate that. I'm getting Twitter just for you guys. Yeah, actually, I've noticed a lot of people make Twitter accounts just to follow us, Miss V. So thank you.
It's worth it.
Thank you for doing that, man. We appreciate that, guys. Especially if you created it just so you can follow us. We appreciate you for doing that. That's you going out of the way in some sorts. So thank you. Sean Suarez, yeah, exactly. Doesn't he look deezed? Sean's been pumping those weights, boy. Let's go. Let's see what stocks are moving today in terms of volume leaders. So of course, volume leader number 1, FUN, CRTD being the next one, Prog being the one right after that, and CEI coming back on the list at number 4. So that's good to notice. But the overall relative volume is 0.65. So that's telling you that the relative volume on the stock is not above a 1 or 2. Kind of is a no trade for me. Look at FUN. FUN is at 609. DWAC is at 5 because obviously it did crazy amounts of volume yesterday. But FUN, there's a reason why the stock is being watched. It's doing 609 times volume that it relatively does on that minute. So crazy amount of volume going on overall in the market. Good to see momentum kind of come back alive. It's always a good time to be trading when stuff like this happens. Let's go look at what's the stock again? CRTD. So this was a stock that Neil and Sean were trading on the morning show, I believe, and this was also another halter. Obviously, not something that I was trading because DWAC had all my attention and all my fun. So here we are. The $7 area looked like it halted at 667, opened up, went as high as about $10, and came back in hard hard rejection and coming back through when DWAC and FUN came through. But these guys, or sorry, not these guys, but CRTD didn't make that run back towards the highs or even VWAP when DWAC and FUN have done so. So CRTD kind of looking like fizzled out trade, kind of dead trade now compared to the other two. So let's see what FUN is going to do. Let's see what DWAC is going to do. AMC is apparently rolling to the top side, so that's a good thing to notice. Sorry, Miss V?
Oh, yeah, a little bit.
AMC is apparently rolling to the top side here. So yeah, AMC curling up after creating that bottom. Like I said, 36 has acted as a support before. You can expect that to continue happening. Can you short any stock on your platform in Canada? Technically, yes. Technically. As long as the stock does volume, we can trade it, and if it's tradable, there's a chances that we have free shorts on our platform, and if we don't have free shorts on our platform, for example, DWAC yesterday we had free shorts on it. That means we could have shorted it anywhere, anytime, any place. But today we do not have free shorts on the stock. Obviously, the stock is up about 300% yesterday and 300% today. So obviously, after a move like that, you're not gonna have free shorts on any broker, I believe. So we had to pay for shorts. I believe I paid around $30-ish for every 100 shares of the stock to short it.
Prad, I was so shocked to find out that Canada Goose is not Canadian anymore. It's like
What?
Canada doesn't. Oh, like I believe maybe those are fake news, but like guys, if you know, let me know. I believe that Canada sold rights for Canada Goose to USA, and later China bought Canada Goose. So now China owns Canada Goose. I believe so. And someone's asking what's the best platform to trade crypto for Canadian. Personally, I for crypto use Simple. Prad, yourself?
Sorry?
What do you use for trading crypto in Canada?
Simple, same as you. Yeah, same as you.
Did you see who owns Canada Goose?
I'm looking it up right now, but actually, if you think about it, it does make sense. So for those of you who are hype beasts, and you know, if you know Supreme or whatever, you guys know this happens all the time. The Chinese conglomerates, the word, they always buy up these big brand names out there. For example, Supreme got bought out, Bape got bought out. So all those big brand names always get bought out. But over here, I'm seeing headquarters is still in Toronto, Canada. Production output in Toronto, Winnipeg, Manitoba. I'm still seeing a lot of Canadian names here, so maybe it could be a rumor.
Maybe.
Yeah, it could be a rumor.
I need to research on that.
Yeah. But I'm
fake news
pretty
from
sure
Valeriia.
The jacket name that I have that we're not going to say and Canada Goose are both Canadian, I think.
Yeah, they are Canadian. I don't know like why. Sorry, you guys, for fake news.
The North Face is probably what you're thinking about.
You think?
Are you thinking about North Face?
I don't know. I'm confused.
Yeah, the North Face shares, the company that owns North Face fell today, I think about 4% or so. So maybe that's what she's confused about. I'm not too sure. Too many bong rips, Prad. Hey, listen, not enough. Not too many, not enough. We don't stop until the eyes go bloodshot red, right? Anyways, Simple crypto prices are much higher. I mean, yeah, but it's one of the easiest platform in Canada to use, and that's why we use it. If there's a better one that doesn't charge me fees out the wazoo, then of course tell me and I'll use it. Why does it seem like the whole market is down? Well, my friend, that's because the whole market is down. The QQQs, let's pull it up. The QQQs are down about almost 1% today, trying to run back up to the VWAP here at the moment. And the SPYs are down about 0.28% today, also trying to run back to the VWAP right now. So let's see if the market's going to close red or not. mRNA possible reload for short. Okay, she's reloaded. Yeah, we're going to go back to VWAP here. Possible area for reload 100%. Notice how the stock has been getting rejected off of these the VWAPs area for the whole day for the most part. And you can expect that trend to keep continuing. I'm not going to expect the stock to break out above VWAP today, especially with the overall downtrend in the market. And if the good news about mRNA's booster shots being accepted and whatnot is not going to help the stock have a green day, I walk a lonely road all the way to under 300 I go. All right. FUN almost VWAP. Let's go check it out. Fun. Still under VWAP. Yeah, not able to go up. So let's see what happens. Still, not able to break that VWAP area and hold above it. But actually, we're seeing that happening right now. Volume is coming in. Velocity is picking up on that stock. I'm trying to see what time. Oh wow. I'm trying to see what time it is on the clock, and it's only 9:32. So we're still in lunchtime period. So volume's picking up. Velocity is increasing. Stock is breaking out in above $9. So maybe some fun time coming in. Past VWAP on the 5-minute. Yeah, we are breaking out on the VWAP on the 1-minute also. Bunny boy? Who you calling a bunny boy?
That's sweet. Is it your new nickname?
I don't hope not.
Well, better than the jacket
I
name.
hope not.
What do you prefer, Bunny Boy or the jacket name?
I don't like being called Bunny because that's what my ex called me. So no, I don't like being called Bunny.
Oh.
Bunny is no more allowed from
really?
anyone.
Bunny?
Yeah, she called me Bunny. So it's not allowed by anyone right now. So I'm not responding to Bunny. Praddy, yeah, Praddy's fine. Praddy's cute. Are you guys in California? No, we're not. We're in Canada.
She's Miss
The
California.
great country, great white north up above America. Here we go. Bunny comments. Yay. Yeah. Just gonna give you guys a second to keep talking about it, and then we're gonna move on.
I guess I know your costume for Halloween.
Yeah,
And it's easy to
Easter
make,
bunny
though.
costume. Yes, cool.
So cool.
If your GF calls you bunny, that's bad news. Oh no. All right. I'm not upset about the breakout. I just don't want to be called bunny. It just makes you think about like past. It's word association. If my mom calls me a certain term, and if someone else calls me that, I'm gonna probably associate you and talk to you the way I talk to my mom, and that's why I don't tell people what my mom calls me, because then this is word association and the way I act with my brain, right? So if someone calls me Praddy, for example, it's just gonna instantly go to how Valeriia called me Praddy and how you guys are now adopting that and so on. So it's just word association. So no one has ever called me that word before, and if someone does, it's because my brain instantly just goes to that, right?
Praddy is good. I like it. It's like
Praddy's
kind
good.
of Praddy is equivalent to, I believe, like Val.
Yeah.
Praddy and Val.
All right. Are only good for passwords? Oh my God, you're gonna put your password as your ex, bro? That's so bad. I don't know about that. Let's go back to stock market. Enough of the ex talk over here. Praddy daddy. No, that's the word I like. There you go, Praddy daddy. What? I don't speak. You're El Loco. That means crazy. I'll take it. I'm loco. All right, fun, man. Fun is going off over here. Look at this stock. We saw the $9 break happen. VWAP above VWAP. We saw the $9 break happen. About to go test that $10. Let's go see if DWAC is doing something similar. It is indeed. We're above 100 again. We're almost at 110 right now. There is some random size popping at 108. Maybe he's a spoofer. No, he's there for real. He just got tested. He's an actual size. He wants that fill. So let's see if the stock has more momentum to the top side. Prad Shiesty. Ooh, am I Pooh Shiesty's little brother now? I'm Prad Shiesty. I like it.
I don't know the meaning of shiesty.
I don't know either, but it's a rapper's name.
Okay.
Pooh Shiesty is a rapper's name. And he's pretty good. He's signed to Gucci Mane's label. 1017. Brick Squad. Here we go, man. We're brick squatting on DWAC today. Almost back to 110. Going higher and higher. Above VWAP, like I said, man, going crazy. There we go, 110 break coming in. 110 got tested a little bit. There was some size on 110, but here we go, another test of 110. The spread is literally $1, man. The spread is $1. Like, how do you trade the stock right now? Absolutely insane. Look at this. Sean comes back and he's just going wow and going crazy. And obviously, what other words and emotions can you have when the spread is $1 and the stock is just moving $3 in a second? Insane. Shiesty is not trustworthy. Okay. There you go, Miss V. Shiesty means not trustworthy.
Oh no, that one rejected.
Prad not trustworthy?
You're trustworthy. Sometimes.
Nah, they're calling me Prad Shiesty because you know the rapper Pooh Shiesty?
They don't.
Hey Prad, when is the DWAC news supposed to come out today? I wish I knew. I don't have the answer. DWAC, but keep an eye out on Twitter. You know, obviously you can use what's it called, what's that thing, like a TweetDeck. You can use TweetDeck and have a column for that stock name, or you can just follow all of us, or even Brandon, Trader TV Brandon. I'm sure Brandon will post it when it comes out. So keep an eye out for our Twitters up there. All right. It's tonight when China wakes up. Ooh, all right. And didn't Evergrande pay off a big loan too? So I expected markets to move up today. So overall, nope. That's a rejection of that too. We did go down on the overall market. Loaded mRNA at VWAP. Let's go, Jude Fernando. Good luck on that trade. I do think that's a short and a half right there. Actually, I'll just join you. See if they give me some fills. I'll join you because I was with you on that affirm trade. So I'll join you on this mRNA trade too. But just don't tell the SEC that we're team trading, because then that's when you get dinged hard, right?
Portulus, we have super chat from Dominic Famularo again. I said it earlier. I'll say it again. Portulus. Do you know what Portulus is? Send help chat. Let me find out.
PORTILO. PTLO.
Exclamation.
PTLO.
Oh, it's stock.
So PTLO, 5 million shares traded. He said it once earlier. He's going to say it again. And he is ringing the cash register every time he does so. The stock breaking even dollar levels on the way up. Let's go. Beautiful, beautiful move to the top side. 36% up. Holding VWAP around 35, 40, I'm going to guess. What's that number? It's flat 35. So I got that number wrong. I was just trying to guess that number. So it held at VWAP around 35, and now testing $40 or so. We got a weak break of 40, which happened to be a 6-cent break of 40 cents. But the fact that the stock is holding around 39 or even closer to 40 is telling me that we're getting ready for another move up here, and we can possibly test that 40 break and break 40. If it happens, man, more upside, obviously, right? So let's see if that ends up playing that way. I'm still seeing what happens on mRNA right now, down about 28 cents per share. Not too big of a deal. Let's see if mRNA can break out above VWAP and stay above VWAP. At that point, I will close that short, but I am bearish on that stock, as you guys have heard me talk about it multiple times.
People say fun, having fun again.
Wow, it is indeed, man. Look at it. We're above 10 now. Not too long ago, we were battling around 9, and now we're above 10, trying to make that move up to 11. Very close to that point. Let's see if we can get that breakout above 11 and continue going higher. BENE running same as COE as DWAC. All right. That pumpkin cheesecake is making me hiccup. But it's so good. Every time I burp, I just taste the maple syrup and the pumpkin. It's making me hungry and hungrier. BENE, yeah, a little bit of a move up, but I don't think it's a sympathy play at all. Sympathy plays look exactly the same to each other. I don't see a similar move, especially off the open. We kind of did nothing, and then now volume is coming in at 12 o'clock. So I'm not gonna say this is a sympathy move at all. But overall, FUN and what's it called? DWAC are actually having the sympathy tandem, holding hands together and playing in the playground move that everyone is watching. We do see some size on 1149 right now. So, look at the size on 11, guys. Multiple big orders on 11 right now. Let's see if 11 is going to get tested. There we go. Yeah, we're going to break through 11 right here. Those orders got pulled, I think, actually. Those orders, I think, got pulled because I didn't see 11 print a lot. That means someone was spoofing the barrier at 11. They saw that the stock was going to go test that 11 price. They pulled the orders, and the stock, this is what happens when orders get pulled, either on the top side or on the bottom side. When there's a spoofer and the orders get pulled, they just jump straight up to the top side or just crashes straight to the downside. So my guess is that's what happened over there. Now we do see some size on 1150 that's not getting pulled, but at the same time we're seeing some size on the bids add up to go test that 1150 size. So let's see if that plays out how I want it to. We get that 1150 break, we go to $12, and then we go back all the way higher to $14 or so. Let's get more halting action into this market, into the stock going into that closing time. We only have about 20 minutes left into this game right here. So let's get more action, more fun, and more volatility into the market. Come on.
Prad, can we take a look at skills? Nicole have a 1030 strike price for an option. though we trade equities, but we can take a look at skills.
Yeah, skills for sure. So 1030, we kind of hit that today already. Looks like right now we're just basing off around VWAP. Obviously, volume and all eyes on DWAC and other aspects of the business. I like your bullishness for a change. Wow. What am I bullish on right now? On DWAC? Ah, right. I mean, dude, I will join the side of the trade more than half the time, but then when I have my mindset fixed as to mRNA or whatever, then of course I'm kind of a bear trader. But overall, I think it's easier for me to look for shorts than it is for longs. I don't know why. Anyway, skills, obviously just sideways trading around VWAP, up about 3% today, almost 3% today. Let's see if the stock can continue being around VWAP, which is a good indication, obviously, and then go test the other ranges that the stock has been trading in, which is around the barrier at $11 that I'm noticing, 11.40 looks like. Let's see if we can go test that by maybe not end of the month, but soon. mRNA kind of burning me over here, so let me go see what mRNA is doing. We did pop out above the VWAP, so if 325 breaks, I'm gonna be out of this trade. I'm just gonna send out my yeah, I'm short on mRNA. So if 325 breaks the top side, I'm gonna be kind of out of this trade. Let me just make the order for that.
We actually had conversation with trader formerly known as Jude Fernanda in pre-market that we were discussing that he was telling that he's going short on Moderna.
Yeah,
I believe Jude Fernanda, you're having a great day.
Yeah, Jude Fernando and I obviously had that amazing affirm short off of the 160 level. And now we're kind of battling this short at mRNA. I still believe on the short side. I'm going to be honest with you. I think 325 will probably not break. But you know, I have my stop out. I have my levels. I know what I want to do. I'm not doing the guesswork in it. I know if 325 breaks, I'm not going to go short anymore. But if 325 doesn't break, I can see the stock coming back through VWAP all the way down to 320. At which point, you know, I'm going to be back in the money. I'm going to be happy about my position. So just let the stock do what it wants. Let it play out. We'll come back to it to see in the profits or to see it get stopped out. Let's see. Fun is fun again, indeed, man. Yeah, like we're coming back down right now, actually, off that $11 rejection. You know, we saw that price at 11 that got taken. Now we went as high as 11.50. Then we saw the size on 11.50 be there, and then 11.50 acted as a barrier that we're noticing right now, which causes the stock to go all the way back through 10, all the way back through 9. Sorry, not back through 9, but it's going all the way back to test 9.50 / $9. So there we go. We're very close to $9 right now. Can buyers come in and hold up the $9 or even hold up $8, which is around VWAP, is the question. DWAC coming back down too. Obviously, they're following each other. One is following the other, or the other's following the other one. So coming back down here, DWAC, a little bit of a retracement off of the highs, whereas 115-ish or so. So I'm still waiting to see what the stock does at the 130, 190, where the first halt was, and if we ever get there. Obviously, look for that 120 rejection if the stock does get there. If 120 doesn't reject, then we're in for some new levels and new spicy action. Feds to taper bond purchases but not raise rates. Yeah. Inflation is transitory, remember? Going back up FUN. Yeah, FUN, I mean, it's probably going to just follow DWAC here for the most part. FUN looks still looks bullish on the 15-minute. Let's see, 15-minute on FUN. Yeah, the candle doesn't look like too big of a rejection candle. So on the 15-minute, it does look like it wants to try holding up this $10 price right now, which we're at. AMC and GME flat. Thank you guys. Just made my account with FUN. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. AMC and GME. AMC back to that 33.30-ish or 36.30 price, sorry. Let's see if we can continue holding this as support. I'm going to guess 36 is going to hold up as a support as we have been for the whole day. Let's see what GME is doing. Under 180. Yes, under 180, obviously. And now trying to hold up around 170. We made the bottom at 168.92 today. So to see the stock go back above 170 is a good thing. But under 180, obviously, not too happy about that on GME. My voice is kind of dying now that we're coming into the end of the show.
You need 14 more minutes.
My throat is getting scratchy. this is the point of time that you guys start calling me tired and high and whatnot. But the truth of the factor is, I've been screaming all day because I've been so excited. But now my voice is gone.
Actually, guys, Tesla is also back to the upside, up 1.5%. And I was looking at 907.50 level. And if Tesla breaks it, which it does currently, I was looking for some long opportunities. Anyways, we'll see. But looks like Tesla moving back to this 910 area.
Yeah, not only Tesla, Miss V, along with the market, the QQQs are almost back to 0.5 negative day, and the SPYs they were down about 0.5, and now they're almost going to be flat for the day. So overall, market making a nice little rebound over here. Good job to the market. We are trying to turn green on the SPYs, but the QQQs, obviously, the tech sector still having a big red day. Well, not big, I guess it's pretty decent of a red day overall. Prad's night job as a singer in a metal band. Give him a break. Yeah, no, it's not. But I don't think I ever can do that. Was planning to hit the gym at 1 p.m. EST, but now that DWAC and PHUN are still in play, the financial gains take precedence. That is true. Financial gains right now is the name of the game, dude. Like, look at the stocks. Wish we had options on PHUN. Yeah, PHUN is crazy. Don't understand this lunchtime spike in the market. My hunch trader Prad traders calling it a day, weekend, and loading up on all-time low stickers possible. Yeah, that's a possibility. But like I said, it's a Friday. This could just be profit. Well, profit taking comes from like selling the position, so maybe not profit taking. So I'm not really sure where this spike did come from. You're 100% right. The only thing we can do is have our levels and just play them. Obviously, I do have my stop out on mRNA, and it could possibly do it very soon. Let's see where we at. We're not there yet, so my stop still hasn't triggered. I thought maybe it would skip my stop, but no, we're still good. AMC barcoding is making me sweat. Yeah, that happens when they barcode. But what makes you sweat even more is being in a halted stock, and the stock doesn't open in 5 minutes, in 10 minutes, in 20 minutes, and you're just sitting there like, oh God, please open, oh God, please open, and you're just screaming the whole time in your brain. Ah! That was a scary ride right there. At least you can get in, get out whenever you want. I literally had to sit here, pray to the trading gods. Please, trading gods, open the stock and don't keep it halted all day. And they did it. But I'm scaling out of PHUN at 1150. Well, 1150, yeah, was the barrier that we saw. Let's see if the stock can break above through that, if the size is still there to begin with. So that would be a good thing to notice. What are the DWAC? Is there one? WACU? Oh, there is one. What? I didn't even know there was one of these. Is this doing a somewhat of a similar move? Yeah, I guess so. So is this the SPAC? And what's the other one then? I didn't even know WADCU. So all I was trading was WADCW, which is the warrants. WDACW, which are the warrants, and then WADC, which obviously everyone knows about. I didn't even know there was a WADCW. U is the unit. Got it. One share and one warrant makes sense. Okay. Cool. I learned something new every day. That's awesome. Unit is stock plus warrant. All right. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Yeah, I didn't even know that existed. I just want to see if that one halted by any chance now. Has this one halted all day? It looks like it did, right? Yeah, this has been halting too. So this would have been a little bit scary too, right? This was like not really as clean as DWAC. DWAC on NASDAQ has not halted at all today. So for those of you who are scared of halting stocks, who don't want to pull the trigger, who don't have the ability to get in on I don't know, market on open orders and market on out orders or whatever, who don't have that multiple order capabilities, you can try to trade WADCW because it kind of moves cleaner and doesn't really halt. It could, but it doesn't really halt. Warrants don't halt? Okay. So there you go. That explains why it doesn't halt, and it moves way cleaner. Way cleaner. Why am I doing the Trump move? This moves way cleaner. Trump?
Yeah.
Trump does that all the time. Way cleaner than the other one. So
that
there you
one I
go.
know.
Yeah, the finger way cleaner. Warrants do not halt, and it moves way cleaner. So there you go, guys. Spread is crazy on the warrants. Careful. I mean, it can't be as crazy as $1 on WADC, bro. Well, look at this spread. It can't be $1. Even if warrants are spready, it can't be as spready as what we're witnessing right here, man. But overall, we're now running back because Trump is winning. Yeah, it's going up. Overall, it is running up right now. Look at the stock. Wow, I can't believe this. I'm losing my mind. I didn't think the stock had momentum, energy, violent speed, whatever, to be above 100, and we are above 100 before 1 o'clock. I thought this would maybe happen at 3, maybe, but no, we're gonna do it right now. Tiger blood. Wow, we got Charlie Sheen over here. Tiger blood. I like it. Winning. Hashtag winning.
Prad, we have such a nice comment in here. Nabil Halil says, this is the best chart I've ever seen. You don't see many charts like this, you know. Okay, rejected. I thought he's talking about chat. Thought he said that our chat is the best one, but our chat is the best one, guys. We love you, and I think we're doing really great here. Everyone is very polite, supportive, and smart.
No, yeah, I agree, day trading mom. I agree that everyone in the world is looking at this stock, but I didn't think after, let's say you bag hold this long over here, right? You saw this minor uptick. There are some ape brains who punched the long over here, right? Am I wrong? There's some ape brains who punched the long over here. Now, those people who closed that long for a loss, you think they're going to come back here? Or the people who tried to punch along and didn't get a fill and watch the stock go all the way down, and they're like, oh my goodness, am I glad I didn't get that fill? You think they're going to punch the long over here? Right? That's my question. I'm just thinking off of psychology. I'm going off of how human mindset works. Things like that stop me from taking a trade. So I'm just trying to relate with how my mind works, and I think if my mind works a certain way, there's at least a bunch of other people thinking that same way. So I'm just wondering if that will actually play out as I think it will. But the answer to the question is, I was obviously wrong. I didn't think it's going to go above 100, and it did. Now we're going to go test that 120 very soon. I don't doubt that's going to happen. So let's go test that 120. There we go. We just popped up $1. The spread opens up like 50 cents to $1, and you don't even know what to do. So this is when like it gets scary if you're taking the breakouts. I could see them get back in because of revenge trading. Yeah, I could see that, no doubt. That's a good point. Revenge trading does exist. I have done that in my beginning trading life. I've revenge traded a lot. I went on tilt. There's crazy stories of me just literally going on tilt because the trade that I had was the right idea, but I got stop hunted. So I just go on tilt, size up or irrationally, and just take even big hits. You're not wrong. You're 100% right. I used to be that trader too. Yeah. You're not wrong. Good to see other psychologies being thrown at me too. This is how traders evolve. The ability to be open-minded and accept other people's opinions and ideas. Man, we're at 113 now. What else do you guys want, man? Let's go to that 120 already. Let's get that 120 breakout.
Actually, we have trading psychology and mind mastery educational video. I'm gonna send it on the chat for you guys, where Neil, Brandon, and Sean are talking about their trading psychology techniques to become better traders. And of course, watch until the end, because the cherry on the cake in the last 5 seconds, because it's me there.
I'm just trying to find a little meme here that I saw yesterday. Let me see if I can find it for you guys. No, okay. Anyways, even though I didn't find it, the meme basically is seen on Wall Street bets. The stock was, I lost money on a stock that was up 300% today. You guys get it?
I didn't.
Someone lost money on a stock that was up 300% today.
Well, maybe they went short.
Yeah, but like, why? The stock is up 300%. Why are you shorting it?
Well, maybe you remember yesterday we were talking about that like you think like, okay, now it's gonna go down.
Yeah.
Okay, no, now it's
Yeah.
gonna, okay, it's way too far
Yeah,
from
exactly.
give up. So probably that's the reason.
Yeah, but it's funny to see, like, it's not that hard, guys. It's really not. It's like you can take hits real quick. For example, today, I will be honest, right here, this short at the $100 level, I had 20 shares. 20 shares, that one short. But that I was a tester. On that 20 shares short, I lost about $100 on that trade. But that didn't stop me to size up 15 times on that halt price. It didn't stop me to do that. But it's the fact that I saw I am wrong. The stock was up 300% yesterday. It is up another 50% in pre-market. I got burnt on 20 shares? 20 shares? Are you kidding me? I'm gonna size up on the long.
It would be suck.
Yeah.
Goldman suck.
Goldman suck, indeed. And I was like, you know what? No, I'm going long on this today. This stock is nuts. And obviously, my biggest day of my 2 years of trading, man. Look at that. Prad giving away size? No, that was me telling you my test here. That's how I take the testing trade to see if the shorts are working. And obviously, the short was, nope, not it.
Shiesty Prad.
Pooh Shiesty, Prad Shiesty.
Shiesty.
V-Money killing it Friday. Yeah, obviously all Fridays for us are for some reason all fun and happy.
I know.
I don't know why, but it's just
I
all
don't know
fun.
too.
And a lot of noise going on in the back
Yes,
too.
I know. So,
Hey, shut up!
it was not me. No, I don't know, Prad.
I'm just saying in general.
It was not me, okay, Prad. And you sitting in the corner, now I see you, and everyone like turn, look at me, like, excuse me. My heart-
PTLO is going to what? PTLO is going to. It broke 40. There you go. What's it? Famularo, Dominic Famularo, man. You called it. You said it once. You said it again, and I will say it for you this time. Breaking above 40. We're almost at $45. We actually touched 45, and we went down from there. Absolutely insane. Dominic Famularo, I understand why you're able to give us the $5 super chats every day. If you're trading stocks like this and making the money like this, Dominic Famularo is an absolute monster.
Dominic Famularo for the win, and guys, sincerely thank you everyone who sent us a super chat today. We appreciate it a lot, and we hope that you made a good profit today. Thank you everyone for every kind word on the chat. Thank you for every like. By the way, we need just 10 more to hit our favorite number 700. So please, let's do this. We really love you. We appreciate that you with us. We're witnessing these crazy moves on the markets, and we were able to have fun, money, or supporting each other together. We love you. Have a wonderful weekend. I will see you, maybe Prad, also at 3:00 p.m. Eastern time to trade the close together. I'm excited because I want to see if Tesla gonna close above 900, which I really hope for. Prad?
I'm just losing my mind over what Dominic just said. Yeah, Dominic, make that money, bad boy. I see you, boy. Make that money. He hasn't sold any shares yet. Like, what's wrong with you? You're a wild man, dude. Claps in the chat for Dominic. All right, guys, we're going to head out. I'll be back Monday along with Miss V. Miss will still be here for you guys for the closing show, though. 11 o'clock, same time, same place. Have a great weekend. See you guys Monday. Arrivederci. Paka paka. Peace out.
Paka.